You got social media check-in, Yayo?
We do.
All right, let's do it.
All right, Alicia Pendergast, Facebook VIP member. Is medical deferred action still being considered? I've been here almost 9 years and was getting referrals or renewals every 2 years along with the working authorization. Since 2019, all I've been given is a letter of consideration. What can I do?
You can follow up with your local immigration office. I'm not sure what you mean by letter of consideration, but deferred action, if you're here for medical treatment and there's no medical treatment at your home country, and if you go home, basically going to be left to die on the street, yeah, they'll keep you in deferred action here.
Okay, Nicole Hernandez, a VIP Facebook member. My friend's mom filed for him, but when that filing was in process, he got married and went well, and he came to the U.S. and now is a citizen. He filed for his son and wife. The son got through, but his wife did not. He was told he has to divorce his wife and remarry and refile. Is there any truth to this, or is there a waiver he can put in to get his wife with him?
What did he come up as a single person when he said he was?
So my friend's mom filed for him, but when that filing was in process, he got married.
Okay, so he came up to the United States as a married man who claimed he was single. So he committed a immigration fraud. And he ultimately became a citizen, and nobody figured it out.
And even got his son.
And now they're not going to take away his citizenship, but they're going to take it out on the wife.
Yeah.
He needs a consultation.
Wow. That's the first I've heard of that.
Yeah.
Melissa Hilton on Facebook, a Facebook VIP member. What's the fastest way to get my 18-year-old brother here? I'm a green card holder. I won't be able to apply for citizenship until October 2023.
Student visa.
Vapa Penny on YouTube. Just received my 10-year marriage-based green card 2 months before my 2-year wedding anniversary. Should I send it back?
No, you can't. You have your 2-year card, and in 2 years from now, you got to file to remove the conditions.
Okay, Nikisha Ed on YouTube. Did my interview at the embassy in Jamaica, but my medical was not complete. I completed the medical and sent it in. Have not heard anything from the embassy. When I check CEAC, the Consular Electronic Application Center, it says affidavit incomplete. What does this mean?
It means something is incomplete. You better contact them and see what you need to fix.
Omar Ruyi, Nicole on YouTube. My friend came through a student visa and got married. Her I-485 has been denied twice. What should she do?
I think this is the same woman who called before. She got denied twice because she committed fraud on her visa application. She needs a waiver. Refile again.
Camille Thomas on YouTube. If you're undocumented and working and now they want to put you on payroll where taxes will come out of your pay, is that a red flag in the future?
No.
Daryl Winnabaugh on YouTube. What's the estimated time to file an N400 and get approved if I'm eligible on May 3rd? I'm on a diversity visa lottery.
About 6 to 8 months these days.
Andrea Braham on Facebook. My mom petitioned for me as an adult child. My I-130 was approved in 2020 but caught in the backlog. My daughter is going to be 21 in July. Would it be shorter time or shorter wait time? I'm here in the U.S.
What do you mean shorter wait time?
I didn't understand that part because my mom petitioned for me as an adult child. My I-130 was approved in 2020 but got caught in the backlog.
Okay, there is no backlog if your mom filed for you because you're over 21, I assume. So you have a priority date. Your waiting list is still 3-4 years. So whether you're here or another country, you're on a waiting list still.
I'm a survivor on Facebook. Does accepting rent and utilities assistance from federal agency affect one chance when they are ready to do the adjustment of status to green card?
Not anymore.
Olatunji on YouTube. Been married since October 2016. October 2021 makes it 5 years. I have my green card already. I got a DWI December 25th, 2021, and my interview is coming next month. Is this going to affect my naturalization?
Yes.
Whew. Tony Wea on YouTube. I got married to my U.S. citizen wife in 2020 while in removal proceedings and awaiting my master hearing. Got my I-130 approved in 2021. How do I get my work permit?
File the adjustment and then bring the with the adjustment, you'll get a work permit. even though they're never going to approve the adjustment at USCIS, they're going to administratively close it, waiting on the judge, but at least you'll get your work permit in the meantime.
Mulunesh Mammu on YouTube. I applied for an EAD extension within the required period of time, and the 180 days ends next week. I haven't received any response or a new card. What do you recommend in this case?
Try a humanitarian expedite. Pray. I mean, everybody's waiting a long time. Those are your two options.
Nokma Kaba on Facebook. My mom came to the U.S. October 2014 under a brother-sister petition visa. Green card is paid, but she left the U.S. January 2015 prior to receiving the physical ID. She never came back to the U.S. and stayed in her home country to take care of her grandson whose parents are working overseas. Can she still come back and reinstate that visa green card? When can she come back?
No, she can't. She abandoned her permanent residence. She came for 2 weeks, returned home, and never came back again. So that's abandonment of permanent residence.
Okay, Maimu Tamba on YouTube. My friend's I-130 was approved and was put under removal. She was married to a U.S. citizen, but finally the deportation was terminated and the case was reopened on I-145. What should she expect for the interview?
Why was it denied originally?
Just as my friend's I-130 was approved but was put under removal.
I don't know enough about the case to advise you what to expect at an interview.
Tony Dasoria on YouTube. I have a question about 245I. If I had an L1 visa in 1995 and remained in the country, do I qualify for the 245 relief?
No, because an L1 is a non-immigrant visa. To get the 245I, you needed an I-140 or a perm or an I-130 filed before April 2001.
Landry Wambia on Facebook. I'm a permanent resident and I applied for my wife. Can she apply for a tourist visa for the U.S. while waiting for the USCIS?
You can, but she'll be turned down if she tells the truth, which she should be.
Eunice Conde on YouTube. What happens after I-730 receipt notice? There's nothing that actually explains.
That's the following to join on the asylum. You just got to wait. They're taking about 2 years.
Okay, no way to push the process.
You can try to file a mandamus or a threat of mandamus.
And then last one, Kimberly Kim on YouTube. I sent in my hubby's death certificate with my name on it. What can I do? The certificate as his wife still dates. I haven't heard anything from USCIS on my green card.
I guess she filed an adjustment and her spouse died and she's converting it to a widow petition.
Okay.
You did what you were supposed to do. If you need follow-up, go speak to a lawyer.
Okay, one more actually. Yeah. Tashana Richards on YouTube. When do you think the visa bulletin for the F1 family category will be moved to February 2015?
I don't know.
Yeah, sorry.
It's month by month. And the reason why I don't know is because they give out 22,000 green cards a year to people in that category. And I have no idea how many are given out in any given week, in any given month, how many people get approved, how many people get denied, how many family members are included on those cases. So we just got to wait month to month.
All right.
Thanks for watching. For more Brad Show Live, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.